The sower. What is the significance of the sower? Nothing has really been written about the sower. It is somewhat of a mystery. Or is it? Very little is known about the sower. It is written. The parable of the sower. A farmer went out to sow his seed. The disciples came to him and asked, "Why do you speak to the people in parables?" He replied, "Because the knowledge of the secrets of the kingdom of heaven has been given to you, not to them." Now scholars through a few hundred decades have been focused on the true meaning of the parable of the sower. All the parables are of very complex wording, unless the parables are self-explanatory. Even today, many of the parables are misunderstood. So let's dive into the job of the sower. The design of your planet is based on colors. It would probably take 1,000 books to actually explain the sower. So let's just narrow it down. Let's focus on a few things. Like the stones. The colors that attack the stones is a very complex undertaking. The sower sows the colors into the stones. To use an example, let's use a black pen and a sheet of paper. The sower sows the knowledge into the stones at a very slow pace. The stones tell stories about your past. The sower draws images of people into the stones dimensionally. You do not have to be a surgeon to understand how the sower works. The science community could have figured this out many decades ago. It is a very simple process. All they have to do is put a large stone with existing colors on them in a lab for, let's say, around a year. Keep the cameras rolling. The result would be that the colors just appear. It's a sewing process. They would actually have this process on film. The reason your science community cannot explain the colors on the billions of stones, well, they just did not do the proper homework. The sower uses a type of imagery on the stones that attaches images of people together. To understand how the sower works, you will have to follow all the separation lines in between the colors. Everything has a separation line. In other words, the joining of each separate color. Now me and my team conducted hundreds of experiments on the stones. It is called You Have to Do a Visual. Put the time in. Now let's talk a little bit about the leaves. When you have, let's say, 30 oak trees in a field, in time millions of leaves fall to the ground. The sower sows the knowledge over all the leaves. It is drawing images of people over all the leaves on angles. Dimensionally, you're actually walking on top of knowledge. But the human mind has a great weakness. Colors. When you insert information into colors, the human mind tends to take the easy way out. Like NASA, they will just take pictures of it, then sell it as wallpaper. The sower plays a big part of the design of your planet. So let's say the sower decided to take 10 years off. Just go on a holiday. The existing design of your planet would change dramatically. Everything inside your planet is knowledge. We are born inside of pure knowledge. So when everything is information, there can be only one conclusion. You're inside a book. The writer of this great book is the sower. With any book, you have a cover. On the outside of your planet, the sower creates a cover story. But in this book, the stories change inside the planet, and also the cover story will change. Your planet was created, built from scratch. Like you can build a car from scratch, using 30,000 parts. You are a design inside a design. You were given a great gift, to think and feel. Not only are you a design, but you were given the ability to create your own design inside a design. So learn how to read from this great book. Find the key to knowledge. Yes, it exists. Learn how to use the key. Then apply the key to your planet. So in closing, I will say, me and my team will challenge anybody in the science community on any topic on the actual design of everything. Our job is to give you facts, then back the facts up with something you can put in your hand. We do not do theories. Last, when you are able to read from this great book you were born inside, you will always see the letter U and the letter C. We can give you the facts of what is. But unfortunately, there is one thing we are not able to give you. The reason why. So I will give you one theory. We cannot back this up. This is why it is a theory. Just maybe we are all born inside a test. Instead of taking chances, pass the test. You are given free will. Try not to abuse this great gift.